Hi readers, Frankie V here with the first official edition of Frank's Picks.
Frank's Picks.
My first pick is called Understanding React Fiber Architecture. In case you missed it, React 16.0 was released with an update to React's core reconciliation algorithm. And this update is called React Fiber. Basically, Facebook has completely rewritten the internals of React while keeping the public API essentially unchanged. This article is going to get into a bunch of the benefits of React Fiber, but here's a few key takeaways. React Fiber adds portals, error boundaries, fragments, and more. But the real star is incremental rendering, which adds the ability to split rendering work into chunks. This is going to make React and React Native apps more fluid because it allows the main thread to be available for other UI-related tasks like animation, layouts, and gestures. And additionally, Fiber improves app startup time while rendering components using React Suspense. So check out the article to see how React is able to do all of this now with React Fiber. My second pick is called Clean Code Core Principles. You might have noticed that as your React or React Native project starts to get larger and more complex, maintaining the code base and adding features can become more and more challenging. This article will help you to write more scalable and maintainable code with these 4 principles. 1. Explanatory namings. Be descriptive in your variable and function names to avoid future headaches. 2. Use comments as little as possible. Before writing a comment, ask yourself, can I make this code easier to understand and more readable? 3. Single responsibility functions. Make your functions do one thing and do it well. Finally, 4. Replace magic values with naming constants. You might have the magic in you, but it doesn't belong in your code, at least not in your heights, widths, etc. That's it for this issue's picks. If you didn't see the preview video of Frank's picks, I'll link to it in the newsletter greeting and in this video's description. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at infinite_Frank. I've got a React.js course coming out on April 20th, and I'm looking for a select group of developers to be alpha testers, so drop me a DM if you're interested. As always, feel free to submit content using our submission form in the link down below. We're still accepting sponsors for 2020. Just check out the sponsor link at the bottom of this issue. The next issue comes out on January 21st, and it's going to be our 100th issue, so look for something very special in that issue. Until then, happy coding.